In today's video, we are going to show you how to get a transcript to an Edpuzzle video, which is super useful for studying, accessibility, or maybe note-taking. Let's begin. Now, you want to make sure that you are logged into your teacher account and go to the left side area of the dashboard and click the Discover. Now, select a video that you wanted. For example, we're going to be choosing this one, Why Study Criminology. Now, if you click on that specific video, okay, click the play button and look for the CC or closed caption. As you can see, we have it here at the bottom. Or if you have the option for the subtitles icon on the video player, you see that the live caption is playing while the video is playing as well. All right. And of course, if the CC is available from other languages, for example, English, you can do that. But if CC is not available, it will not appear as the video plays. All right. Please remember that transcripts are only available if the creator of this video enabled captions. All right. Now, depending on the video source, for example, if this is a YouTube video, click on the YouTube right here. You see that? Click on the YouTube title. You need to go to the specific channel itself. All right. Go to the gear icon settings. Go to the subtitles section. Click the options. And remember, if the download option has been enabled by the video creator, you can do that here. Okay. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to get a transcript from an Edpuzzle video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.